Welcome children. Today we are going to start a new chapter in grammar, that is chapter number 9, articles. What is an article? The words a and the are usually called articles. An article is a word that modifies or describes a noun. It is used before a noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. So whenever we are using an article, it shows us whether that noun is special or not. Types of articles. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. The is generally termed as definite article and a and an are termed as indefinite article. Now, what is a definite article? If we wish to particularize the nouns, that means if we want to make that noun special, we use the definite article. For example, let us bath in the river. Now here the noun river, we are particularizing it by using the article. That means we know the river. We are telling that river is specific, that river is special. The doctor came here. Now the doctor here, the doctor also is a noun. So we are making that doctor particular doctor. That means we are specifying that doctor. We are making it special. So we have used the. Indefinite article is if we wish to generalize, means something in common. When we want to say about a noun, we use an indefinite article. For example, a tiger lives in a forest. So here we mean any tiger. So we have used a for a tiger. That means any tiger or any forest which is general forest. An ox is running on the road. Here also we have used an article to generalize. That means we have made this ox a common noun. So we have used an, and also the road as common. So we have used. Now when we have used the road, okay, so here before noun road we have used the, that means we have particularized the road by using the article. Use of articles. As a general rule, a common noun in the singular number must have an article before it. So whenever we have a common noun in the singular form, we use an article before it. We cannot say I have seen boy. Now boy here is a noun. So as the rule says that the common noun should have a article before it. So we should say I have seen a boy. So when I say a boy, we have made it according to the rule, or I have seen the boy. So before the common noun, we should use an article. So here we can see that the boy is a common noun in the singular form. But a common noun in the plural number does not require the definite article the, unless we wish to particularize the noun. So if the common noun is in the plural form, we are not using all the time the article, but the can be used with the plural number only when we want to make it special, when we want to particularize it. For example, boys are fond of sweets. Now here the boys we have general, we have used for all the boys. So there is no article used. But when I say that the boys are playing football, that means we are knowing the boys. So we have particularized the boys, we have used the boys. Now what are indefinite articles? That is a or an. So here we will see that how we are using a or an. So it is used only for singular number but all genders. For the choice between a or an is determined by sound. Now a, as the rule says, is used before a word which is beginning with a consonant sound, and an is used before the word beginning with a vowel sound. Now consonant is other than a, e, I, o, u, that is a vowel. So before that we use an, but for other than those letters, that is consonant, we use a. But here you may find on the left hand side, when I write a boy, a book, a bag, a cat, a horse, that means these letters all are starting with B. B, book is B, bag is B, C, cat, H, horse. So we have used A because these are consonant letters. But here on the right hand side, elephant, ant, inkpot, egg, umbrella, you can see all the letters starting with E, A, I, egg is E, umbrella is U. So we have used an. Now special use. So as we learnt, like for A is used for the consonant letters and an is used for vowel letters. But here the case is different. Like there are certain letters or which are the combinations of different letters. Like for example, why I have said a European, but the rule says that the European, since it is starting with E, it should have an word. But here we have used a European. Why? Because when we write European, E is a vowel, but still it is formed by writing Y-U. Okay, so U, E is formed by the two words Y and U, so we write a European. Similarly, a union, U, Y-U. 1 rupee note. Now, one is W-A, W. So 1 rupee note, A 1 rupee note, a one idea, a university. So you have to be very careful seeing the formation, how we are pronouncing. Now when we say a consonant like an R, now you will say that that R, H has started with a consonant letter, but we have made it H silent and we spell by our, that is O-U-R. So O is a vowel, so we write an R. Again, an honest man, H is silent. An H is school, an MSc, an MLA. You will find these are the short forms of the expanded letters or words. So these we use an. Like when I say an MSc, that is an abbreviation. That means the short form of some elongated words like master in science. So short we have written MSc. So whenever you have got such abbreviations, we use an. Now uses of a or an. A or an is used before an unknown name. So whenever we call out any unknown name, we use a before it. Like a Mr. Sain came to see you, and Iqbal came here to collect the newspaper. So we use only when we are not knowing the person. A or an is used to denote the profession, trade or class. Like he is a businessman, he is an engineer. A or an is used before dozen, 100, 1000, etc. So whenever we are using the words like dozen, 100, thousands, we use a. Here are a dozen of bananas, there are 1,000 people. A or an is used in exclamatory sentences beginning with, so whenever we are writing any exclamatory sentences beginning with W, what or means what, suppose what a pity. So a word article has been used. What a pretty girl. So a article has been used. Now when we use the definite article the to indicate the particular person or thing. So when I say the golden book of treasures, so the, because I am particularizing, I am making this book unique, this special, specifying it. So we use the golden book. The book is out of print. So I know that book which is out of print. Before singular noun meant to represent a whole class, like the rose is sweetest of all flowers. So here when I say the rose, I don't mean only one rose, I mean the entire family of rose. The banyan is a kind of fig tree. So here banyan also will be referring to all the banyan trees of that family. So we use the. Before name of things which is only one is nature, like we have only one moon, one sun, okay, in one sky. So before that we are using the, like look at the moon, the sun shines in the sky. Before the name of musical instruments, when one plays it's otherwise not. He plays the flute. So when he plays, when the person is playing, we use the flute. But when he has the flute position, we are saying he has a flute. He plays on flute. Here the is not applicable. And here one more point you should know, that before the superlative degrees, like if I say hard, harder, hardest, now hardest is what? The superlative degree. Bold, bolder, boldest. Okay. Strong, strongest, strongest. So whenever we have any superlative degree, before that also we should always use the, like the strongest, the fullest, the biggest. Okay. Now before the names of the holy books, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana. Now zero articles, where we are not using any articles, like before generalization with plural or uncountable nouns, we do not use any articles. So we cannot but love flowers. Here we are generalizing, means we are talking about every flower family. Birds can fly in the air. So when we are generalizing it, we are not using any articles. Before proper nouns, we don't use any article, like Kolkata is the city of joy, though there are many sufferings. Delhi is the capital of India, so no articles used. Before the material noun, like gold is a precious metal, iron and steel are useful metals. So before the materials also we are not using any articles. Before abstract noun, so like health, honesty, these all are abstract noun which we cannot see, okay, or touch. So they are there, the articles are omitted. Repetition of the articles, when two or more nouns or adjectives refer to different persons. So in a sentence you will find here the headmaster and the secretary. So these two are different persons. Okay, so they, to show them that they are different nouns, we have used the. When two or more nouns or adjectives refer to the same person, so here the case is different. So when we were using the nouns for different two persons, we are using the both the times. But for one person, when we are using we use only single article the, like the headmaster and secretary. It means single person is both headmaster and a secretary who is coming. So children, the homework is to revise the chapter along with the examples given in the book, and you have to do the exercises also 1 and 2 which has been given at the end of the chapter. So till then, thank you.